So I want to begin this blog today, and I actually want this blog to be, it's going to be a little bit different. I want to begin by giving a shout out to all those who are in my class right now at the Osher Lifelong Learning Program, which is at Dominican University. And you are the best. You are the best. And as I've said, and as I'm beginning to talk to others of the Osher programs around the Bay Area, I'm learning that it's just an amazing program, and I feel very blessed to be able to participate, and I hope to participate in some of the others around the Bay Area. So, and also to my students and to those who follow this blog, I wanted to talk a little bit about the writing process, because if you love poetry as I do, and as many of you do, and as you fall deeper in love with poetry, you may find that you want to try your hand at writing a little bit. And I would totally encourage you to do that. You don't need to write to enjoy poetry at all. But if you're called and moved to do it, I think it's a great thing to try and to do. And what I want, speaking of that, I want to bring to you my great poetry mentor, William Stafford, once said it this way, and many people have heard me say this, but I think we can't hear it too many times. He used to say, whenever you get stuck writing, you feel that block, whenever you get stuck writing, just lower your standards and keep on going. Now, I've always loved that, because there's so much permission in that, so much incredible permission, and that's exactly how I feel. I tend to write just about every morning. Just about every morning. It's one of the first things that I do. Sometimes only for 10 or 15 minutes, sometimes a little bit longer, but the key is that I give myself total permission to just write what comes. And many of you know I use a method I call the ricochet method, which is basically a method of reading a few poems and then seeing what that brings to me, and that works quite well for me. I'll talk about that more later in other blogs, but the main thing is give yourself total permission, and just love the poems and just love the writing, and whatever comes, just welcome it. Thank you for listening. Until next time and next